What's going on, everybody? It is Nubs, and we are here with another penny box. I guess I should tip it this way so it's right side up for you guys. This is the sister box to the box we hunted the other day with 16 wheat pennies in it. And some oldies. Lots of 37s. Which is kind of strange. So we are gonna... Why don't I just grab a knife? Why don't I just do that? That would make too much sense. Come on, box. Oh, I forgot these have that little tabby thing in the middle, so I just cut the tab off. Oh well. And you can see we got rolls inside here. Looking good, looking like we got some circulation. I like it. And they're wrapped kind of the same. Let's see if I can see anything inside of there. Nah, I can't see nothing. So, we're going to hunt it. We're going to look for wheat pennies, of course. Indian head pennies, if we get so lucky. Proofs, airs, varieties. Anything else cool we find. Foreigns. We will start with roll one. Bring you guys in. Hopefully, very soon, when we find something. And it's literally 10 seconds later, and I see a pair of wheat stalks. This is the first roll. And we got a wheatie. What do we got? 1944 Denver. That's what I like to see. Still in roll one. We got a queen. Canadian from 2006. Pretty nice one too. Pretty nice Canadian right there. We'll make a Canadian pile right there. Roll 3 is going to give us another wheatie. Might give that other box a run for its money. This one looks like it might be old. Maybe. Maybe. Haha, 19. Is that a 26? Nope, that's a 36. 1936. Oldest of the box so far. That is awesome. Just so you know, I did check that for the DDO, and it's not. Same roll as the 36. We got another wheatie. It was hiding in the back. 1949 out of Denver. Roll number 5, and we're going to have at least one more. Let's check the maybe first. Nope, that is not a wheat penny at all. Let's get the for sure one. Right there, we got a wheatie. 1952. Sweet. Roll 6 is already going to give us wheatie number 5. It was a burst up. And it is a non-focusing. Oh, it's not a wheatie. I thought it said 57, but that's a 59. Oops. Well, this one's for sure. Roll 7 is going to give us Canadian number 2. 1980. 1980. Alright, for surezies now, roll number 9, which is right here, is going to give us wheatie number 5. Jumped the gun a little bit on the 59 before, but now we got a 44 out of Philly. Way down here, it was almost an ender. I wiped 2 coins off of it. And this one is a 1958 out of Denver, which is indeed a wheatie. Newest wheatie of the box, and it's also number 6. Wheatie number 7 is coming from roll number 11. 7-11. I like it. 1953 out of Denver right there. Very nice. We're back, and this is roll 16 laid out right here, and I see a pair of wheat ears. Or wheat stalks, or wheat stems, or a wheat penny. Right there. 1942. That is our second 1942. Right there. Nice. Roll 17. We're back again. Wheatie right back here. Almost a back side of the roll ender. I bet this one's going to be pretty new. Pretty new. 1946, I think. Is that a 46 or a 40? That is indeed a 46. That's going to go right here. And I seen another possible. Oh, that's a 66. How about this one? 68. Alright. just laid out roll 19, and we got Wheatie number 10, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 is right here in roll 19. Hopefully we can beat that last box that had 16. This one's a 56 Denver. Just gonna go right there. You got any more in here? That's an 80. How about you? 1960. I don't think we got any more. Roll 21 is gonna give us Wheatie number 11. It was almost an ender, but I think it was 3 coins from an ender. We have a 51 out of Denver. I think goes right there. Roll 24 and Wheatie number 12. And 1 every other roll. Can't get mad at that. 1957. Holy moly. It's like every roll now. Right here. We got Wheatie number 13. Not too bad looking either. Not too bad. A little bit of luster left. 1950 Denver. Roll 27 is right here in my hand. And I don't know if I can get you guys to see this. It's a 1956 ender. You can see the 1950 if the 6 is shadowed. Yeah, a little bit. We'll open this one up live. Just because it's an ender. Come on now. Come on. Let's get a double stack. Here's our 56. Right there. Goes right there. Let me take another quick glance through here. Where are you? 79. No dice. Alright, roll 28. I see Canadian. Right there. And I flipped it the wrong way, just like I always do. 2,000. That makes our third. And right here towards the back of roll 29, we're going to have a 1951 out of Denver. There's some stuff on there, but still another Wheatie. Alright, this is roll number 35 right here, and this is going to tie our last box with 16 Wheaties. Right here it is, and it's looking a little slick. Come on, oldie. Maybe. Nope. Just a 1944. But hey, we're at 16. One more and we beat it. Still in roll 35, and we got a 55. And that makes 17. I don't know how I missed it. We're still in roll 35. And this makes 18. 1952 out of Denver. We're in roll 37. Not a Wheatie. But check out. Maybe check out if we can get it to focus. This 1961. That thing is beautiful. One little ding. That'll be a book upgrade. Roll 38. We're going to get Wheatie. I don't even know anymore. How many we got here? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 Wheaties. We're going to get roll Wheatie number 19 right here. It's another 40s. 1944 out of Philly. But that makes 19 already. And right after that, in roll number 39, we got a wheat cent ender. Right there. Let's check it out. Let's check out this whole roll. See if there's anything else cool inside of here. Let's lay it out. Let's see. Flatten her down a little. I'm not seeing any other wheat ears. Couple oldies we'll check quick though. That's an 81, 74, 71. Ho ho ho! We got an oldie right here. Come on, focus. Is that 1914, I think? 1914 in the box. Come on. I'm going to double check this real quick. That is a 1914. Unfortunately, I do not see a mint mark. Man, oh man, if there was a D mint mark on there though. Let's go real quick through here. And our ender is a 1951. That was one heck of a roll. Roll 42, we're going to have one more at least. But I bet we have a few in these last couple rolls because this box has been getting pretty darn good. Come on, focus. $1956 out of Philly right there. Awesome. We're on roll 46 right here, and we are going to have Wheatie number 23. So we're keeping up with our one every other roll. What is that? A 51 out of Denver. I see Wheatie number 24 in roll number 48. Can we get to 25 Wheaties in a box? Can we break my all-time record of 26? Holy crap, that's 1919. It's a 1919S. I do believe. That is a 1919S. In a box. Right there, full rim. Really nice wheat stocks. I figured that was going to be like a 40s or 50s. That is the second oldest. Wow. Let's see if there's anything else jumping out at me here. Oh, we're going to get 25 right here. 25 Wheaties in a box. Got two more rolls to tie my best ever box. There's a 1957 out of Denver. Two more rolls to tie my best ever. Or maybe beat it. Roll number 50 is here before you. We have an empty penny box. Get rid of that. We are still on 25 wheat pennies in this box. Can we tie my record in this last roll? That would be amazing because it was almost 2 years ago that I hit that record. Come on. I don't see any wheat ears looking at me. Let's hunt it together. I got you guys here. Just gonna run through it quick. Come on. Don't miss it by one. Oh, come on. One short of tying my best ever box. Let me get everything organized and we'll do a little wrap up. Alright, here we go. Here's our wrap up. We have a whole big honking pile of 50s right here. We have 2, 4, 6. I can't even count that. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15 from the 50s. 2, 4, 6, 7 from the 40s. 1, 1936. 1, 1919S, which scared the crap out of me, to be honest with you. And the star of the show, 1914 wheat penny in the box. 107 years old. That is amazing. We also got 3 Canadians over here. I hope you guys enjoyed this hunt. This was an amazing hunt. Probably only two like it that I've ever had, and this is great. If you guys enjoyed it, please leave a like, leave a comment if you want, and if you're not, please subscribe. Thank you. Nubs out.